In this video, I will guide you how you can receive USDT on Tonkeeper, or specifically how you can send USDT from Binance to your Tonkeeper wallet. So before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So start by first of all opening up your Tonkeeper application, and then you need to simply click on the receive on the top. By default, this is going to show you to receive Toncoin, but you want to receive USDT, so simply click there and click on receive. Then copy your wallet address and open up your Binance. What you need to do is to simply head over to the assets or wallet on the bottom right and click on the withdraw and click on search icon on the top and search for USDT just like so. Click on it and click on send via crypto network. Remember, whenever you are going to paste the address as for the network, it is automatically going to be selected as Toncoin. If it is not selecting, you need to make sure to select the Toncoin as your network, otherwise all the assets will be lost. Then you need to simply click on the send on the bottom of your screen. Right now it is suspended for me, but if you have enabled the USDT option with Toncoin network, you can simply send it via Binance to your Tonkeeper application just like that. Hope this helped. This is how you can receive USDT on Tonkeeper.